In this video, we will learn some search strategies for the database JSTOR. To access JSTOR, simply go to the library homepage at library.laverne.edu and scroll down to Databases. You will find JSTOR on the left-hand side under Popular Databases. Go ahead and click on that. In order to search JSTOR, there's a couple of things you should know about its search features. So first, these are your search boxes. So go ahead and add your main search terms here. In this case, we will search human rights. Now below that, you see an option to select access type. The default is content I can access, meaning that everything that you find you can access and view right away. If you select all content, it'll be a mix of items that we have access to and items that we don't. If you select this first option and you find something that we do not have, such as an article, you are always welcome to request it through interlibrary loan. For now, we will leave it at content I can access. If you continue to scroll down, it'll give you the option to narrow by. So if you're only looking for articles, make sure you check off this box. This option is only available in the advanced search. So if you search and then you try to narrow it down later on, this option will not be here. You have to come to the advanced search. Below that, if you want to narrow it down by language, you can do that as well. If you have a specific date range, say you need the latest 10 years, you can put that date range in here to narrow your search. If you need to search for articles within a specific journal, you can also enter that information here. And finally, you can search by an area of study or discipline. Once you have all your settings, click on Search. One thing to note, if you do not select journal articles in the advanced search, you will find a lot of book reviews. Be aware of those. Do not use those as citations. So looking at our search results, it will tell you here these are journal articles. And you can see that they all have download PDF. So if you want to view, you can click on the title. And sometimes if there is an issue, you can click on download PDF and view the full text there. You'll see your citation information here on the left. And you also have this feature for cite an item. Just be aware that this information is not always correct, so it's still important for you to know what a correct citation looks like in whatever citation style you're using. Now, in this database, you cannot email yourself several articles at once as you can in other databases. So for this database, I recommend that you just download the articles and then save them either to your computer or to a flash drive. If you have any questions about using JSTOR, please feel free to contact the librarian at the Wilson Library. You can find our contact information on the library homepage under About Us and Library Directory.